So hi guys, this is your girl Lovely Family and I'm showing you how I do my chicken. This is my empty pot. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. This is how I make my baked chicken. This is the red wine. I'm going to do this to put over it. Morton salt, white vinegar is how I cleanse my chicken. I wash my chicken 3 times and then soak it in white vinegar. These are the products that I'm going to use. Beer can, chicken, sazon, onion powder, black pepper. So I just want to show you guys how I do my chicken first. Okay, so what I do is, I'm sorry guys, I eyeball everything. So I'm going to put in as much salt as I think about, which is 2 or 3 shakes. Then I'm going to go in and do 1 shake of, which would be, less than a half a cup of the Sazon Gardia Complete Seasoning. Just enough. Then I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of garlic powder. If I can get it out, guys. Tidbit, don't leave your garlic powder out. Okay. Because this is baked chicken, so the more flavor you have, the better the chicken is. And then I go in with my black pepper, which is 2 or 3. Okay, so let's just really be half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons, half a teaspoon of Badia Complete, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. That's what the equivalent of what I'm shaking out. And then I'm going to do 1 full teaspoon of the beer can shake. Okay, so now we're going to get our pork. I like to use the pork. Like I said, I like to break it up. Sorry guys, I like to break it up. Okay. So as I'm breaking it up, you guys can see that it is starting to and you always need to wash your chicken 3 times just because of the residue and the minimal processing. My hands are washed. I wash them with a little bit of antibacterial soap and bleach. But you want to make sure everything is crumbled up because you don't want nothing. So if you feel like it's not crumbled enough, you can take your hands and do what I'm doing, which is going back and still grinding it out. And that's enough to cover your whole chicken. Now we're going to come over here to our pot. And we're just going to place our chicken in the pot. Okay. And you'll see why in a minute. This chicken has already been cleaned. Now you can see that the chicken is fresh, except for the yellowing on the ends, but it's fresh. Now I'm going to uncork my red wine. Oh, and one other ingredient is I'm using some oil. Now you want to know why I'm using the oil? I'm just going to take, which would be a serving spoon of oil, and I'm just going to apply it liberally all over the outskirts. Make sure I don't miss anything. Sometimes you might have to do more of an oil spread and it emulsifies, so you're just going to give it a good rub, guys. With your hands, you're going to rub it out. Okay, now what you're going to take is a 1 ounce or more of red wine. I pour mine in a measuring glass, and no, I don't drink this. And you're just going to pour it all over the chicken. You're just going to pour it all over the chicken. And you're going to do the same thing. And make sure it gets good and soaked up in there. And we're going to leave it for a few minutes. While it does that, I'm going to prep my oven to 350. So we're going to sit there. I think I need a little bit more oil. So I'm going to go in and get a little bit more oil and apply it. Because you want to make sure that you coat everything. So you guys see the oil in the oil in the bottle. That's what you want. Okay. Now you can go back and apply a little bit more wine if you feel like it has not absorbed a little bit more, but I would say less than 1 ounce. And I'm just pouring it on the tips right now because I want everything. And what the wine does is help the meat soften, and it gives it it helps absorb. So I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna get my